Hi, hello, good afternoon. Today I am going to show you how to make drumsticks curry. Here I have taken oil. After heat up oil, add urad, jeera and mustard and curry leaves. Now I am going to add onion pieces, fry onions. Add tomatoes and cook until it becomes soft. Take drumsticks and peel drumsticks after washing it and cut into pieces. Now I added drumsticks and add water and cook until it becomes soft. After drumsticks cooked, add groundnut powder, turmeric powder and salt, chili powder, groundnut, jeera and tamarind, garlic. I grinded it. Our curry is ready to serve with rice, chapati, biryanis also. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.